Hey guys, welcome to another video. So, 3-4 days back, former UFC light heavyweight champion John Jones went on a tweet spree, and as we all know that he has forfeited the light heavyweight title, he's now eyeing the heavyweight gold, and he kind of went after Stipe Miocic, and he said that like after Stipe would heal up, this would be the best time. Like this would be a great time for them to fight for Stipe versus John Jones to happen. UFC was trying to make it happen after the UFC 240 when John Jones beat DC the second time. UFC was trying to make that fight, but I think Jones tested positive for some illegal supplement that time. Dana White confirmed that. So we are again at that moment now. Like I don't think UFC is thinking about this fight, but John Jones is definitely thinking about this fight, and I think Stipe is also interested. And why wouldn't he be interested? He has already fought Francis. He dominated Francis in the first fight, and we all know Francis is next in the line. Like he is the number one contender right now. I think he's on 3 fight win streak, and he has beaten all of his last opponents, last 3 or 4 opponents by knockout. So that's that's a statement right there. So I don't think you can't jump Francis Ngannou. He has already waited too much because of DC and the things going with DC and Stipe. He has already waited too much. Like he should be next in the line. Yes, Stipe dominated him in the first fight, but he has improved. We don't know how much. We will see that if Stipe agrees to fight him, but he has definitely improved. He has definitely worked on his cardio, which sucked in the first fight. Like he was tired after the first round. So coming back to John Jones, so he thinks he thinks like for Stipe this is the right move to fight him, to fight John Jones, because he has already fought Francis, and again John Jones versus Stipe Miocic will be the bigger fight than John Jones versus Francis Ngannou. Both fights are interesting, that's for sure, but bigger fight would be John Jones and Stipe Miocic. And John Jones thinks that they would be around kind of same weight. Like Stipe walk-in weight in the octagon is like around 230 to 240, and John Jones he hasn't fought at heavyweight, but he thinks that his weight would be around 225 to 30. So he thinks that they would match up evenly. So it would be a great fight. But he also thinks, again, these are all the things that he is thinking. He also thinks that these heavyweights, yes, they punch harder, but they are very slow. Their wrestling is very slow. Not wrestling, they move very slowly. So they would be very easy to take down, and all of these things. Again, that's what John Jones think. That's what he thinks. And in this tweet spree, he also called someone out. Someone very like that came as a surprise for everybody. He tweeted that Brock, I would beat you too. Like there were some words, but yeah, he said I would beat you too. Like out of nowhere, suddenly he called out Brock Lesnar, and now every media, everybody is talking about Brock Lesnar. Even UFC, even Dana White is talking about Brock Lesnar. Someone asked, I think TMZ asked Dana White, and Dana about Brock Lesnar, and he said if Brock wants it and if John Jones wants it, and fans, again, fans really wants it, so he would do it. He would make the fight. But the thing is, like, we shouldn't get excited about this because first of all, Brock Lesnar retired, which means he withdrew himself from the USADA pool. So he is not in the USADA pool right now. USADA is not testing you, and you have to be like 6 months. You have to be tested 6 months. Then only you can fight. So if he said to USADA like you can test me now, there will be 6 months before that fight happen. Before that fight happens, okay, there will be 6 months. And Brock Lesnar can't tell USADA right now that I'm ready to be tested because he just retired from WWE, and we all know like they I mean they take some supplements, and like maybe they are not performance enhancing supplements, but like USADA just doesn't ban performance enhancing supplements. There are lots of supplements that USADA has banned. So I don't think like he's ready to be in the USADA pool. There will be at least 3 to 4 months before those supplements will be out of his body. Then he will be ready to enter the USADA pool. So let's say 3 months, then 6 months for USADA testing. There goes 9 months. And I don't think John Jones is going to sit for 9 months without a fight. That would like there is a high possibility that John Jones will fight Stipe, but that would be a shame, you know. That would be a shame because Francis has waited too long. He should get his title shot. And why I am saying this is because let's assume that Jones beats Stipe. Let's assume like Jones fights Stipe and he beat him. Will there going to be a rematch, or is John Jones going to move on to some other contender? If there will be a rematch, then again Francis is, he's just hanging in there, posting on Instagram the uncrowned champ. So like heavyweight division has been on a hold because of DC and Stipe's rivalry. Now that it's off, now that it's all over, heavyweight divisions should move on. And for that to happen, the champion must fight the number one contender. And number one contender right now is Francis Ngannou. So that fight should happen. But let's see how thing how all the things play out. Okay, guys. Be safe. Bye bye.